Well, I'm back at the old yard. I'm not going to miss this place for nothing. Been raining all day. The only way to I just last little bit of aluminum to move. Most of the steel's gone except for a little bit. A little bit of the shred pile, a few tires, stuff like that. Most everything's gone except for the stuff they want to keep here. But I got cans, a box of aluminum cans. It's all got to be moved. My table, and most of this place is done for, except for stuff stored inside. I'm not going to miss this fucking mud pit at all. I'm going to let you go.